Hi, and thanks for joining us once again on News 25's Expert Talk. I'm Lori Buhring, and joining us today is the expert of insurance, Jody Entrekin, the owner of Entrekin Insurance. Jody, thanks so much for joining us once again on Expert Talk.
Oh, you're welcome, Lori. Thanks for inviting me.
Of course. Let's talk about claims. We've talked about claims before in the past, but talk about how my policy is not a maintenance plan. There's a little bit of a difference there.
There's a drastic difference. So I'm glad you brought that up. It's one of the most common things that we face. You know, your insurance policy, it is an indemnity plan, which means it's supposed to make you whole as you were before whatever event happened.
Right.
You know, so let's say Hurricane Jody comes through, okay? If Hurricane Jody damages your roof, now that is a sudden event.
Mm-hmm.
It's not there to replace your roof because it's 30 years old. You know, that's a maintenance issue. So like with your vehicle, your auto warranty, that's 3 years or 36,000 miles, right? What's going to happen when you hit 13,000 miles? There's nothing for your tires anymore.
Right.
There's nothing for your windshield wipers. Same concept with your homeowners.
Mm-hmm.
Too many of us have been treating our insurance policy as a maintenance plan for too long.
Right.
You know, and it's coming back and it's catching us. The insurance companies have caught on and they said, no, we're going to pump the brakes on this.
Right.
It now has to be for this, which is a peril. A peril is what caused that event.
Okay. And talk about a little bit about non-admitted and admitted insurance carriers. What exactly is that?
Very simple way to explain that is think about your bank account. You know, so if your bank account is a member of the FDIC, you know, when someone comes and they rob that bank, for example, and you go down there to say, hey, I want to withdraw $10,000. You know, if you have $10,000 in your account, they say, oh, we have no money. It's all gone. We were robbed,
Mm-hmm.
right? Well, the FDIC guarantees your bank account up to $250,000.
Right.
Everybody knows that, right? If you have an admitted insurance carrier, it is the same concept. It is still backed by the state of Mississippi, what's called a guarantor fund, up to $250,000. They also have different, you know, guidelines that they have to adhere to versus a non-admitted carrier.
Okay, good to know. Thank you so much, Jody, once again, for always joining us with the expert information on insurance.
Oh, you're very welcome. Thank you for having me.
Of course. Well, thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.